With over 24,000 square kilometers of rugged, nearly untouched natural and diverse landscapes that house a rich history deep in myth and traditions, Sardinia has definitely earned its top spot among the islands of the Mediterranean. Our Sardinia motorcycle tour begins in Palermo, Sicily, where we catch the ferry to Sardinia. The ferry trip takes roughly 12 hours. It can get boring since the trip is during the day. And although we know that we could chill out in the lounge area for the crossing, we decided to get a cabin. And this way we could store our gear and bags safely and wander around as we please. And if need be, take a nap.
Let's go eat, maybe.
So, time for lunch after a nap of, I don't know, I think 3 hours, I think.
Two and a half.
Yeah, so let's go look for lunch. So we have to, basically, we need Google Maps to find the restaurant.
Left.
Left, okay.
You
have the keys?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look for the restaurant in this labyrinth.
I know where is it.
You know where it is?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Go straight. Now you go right.
Right. Downstairs.
Then you go left.
Left. See, I'm lost already.
Then you go down on your right.
Oh, nice.
Ah, no. Yes.
Go down from the right.
Yes. But there was a shorter way, but like this is nice. This is the disco.
Disco hall.
Yes. Now you have to go from here, right, and you walk straight, right again.
See, if I was alone, I would have been lost.
Now to the left. And we arrive. It's very close to our...
Okay, at least it's close to our cabin.
Yes. L'avevo fatto col mio telefono.
Questa è la fritta. E con quelli piatti, non c'è cielo,
We're about to have lunch now. What are you gonna have?
I think the lasagna.
Lasagna? Okay. I will have salad for sure.
This is green salad.
Yeah, regular salad. I have one of those. Okay, so I got
Questo non è nostro.
fillet of...
Questo non è nostro.
No. Fillet of pork fillet, mozzarella, salad, and here we have just mozzarella and a lasagna. With a full belly.
How was your lunch?
Lunch was okay. It was alright. Salads. Because last night we had too much. We ate too much.
Left.
Left? Okay. So here we are, finally rolling out into the dark, here in Cagliari, the capital of Sardinia. The plan was to spend the night somewhere close enough but not too far so we don't get tired the next day, because we had quite a lot planned for the day. So we found a place just outside of Cagliari called Elmas. The plan is to spend the night over here and then make our way up southwest towards Guspini, all the coast, the west coast of Sardinia, Oristano, Bossa, and all the way to the north, and then back down south via the east, and back to Cagliari, and back home to Sicily. So after a really good night's sleep, we were ready to hit the road again. Woohoo! Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so right now we are somewhere around here. It's a small town called Elmas, just outside of Cagliari.
Correct.
And we are going to be heading west. And we're going to go up this way. And we're going to see a few things over here. A few beaches. That's our itinerary for today.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Let's move. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, see.
The SS 130 is a winding road that takes you through the Laguna di Santa Gila, or Santa Gila Lagoon. Then it winds inland through the mountains and lakes south of Sardinia. It's truly a nature lover's paradise, as everywhere you look, the views are just absolutely spectacular.
Look like in Malta, the Dingley cliffside.
See, oh wow! Che bella! Oh, it's beautiful! Some facts about Sardinia. It is 70% wild land, which means it is mostly uninhabited, and due to its varying ecosystems from one part to another, it is also described as a microcontinent. This means that it has protected status in Italy. Oh, that's so beautiful. Wow. That is amazing. How cool. From the SS-130, we joined the SS-126 at Monte Ponite in the region of Iglesias. a name which was given under the Spanish rule in the early 1300s. Formerly, it was known as Villa di Chiesa, but then it fell to the Kingdom of Aragon from Spain during a 7-month siege. Now, what makes modern-day Iglesias stand out the most is its innovative role in the mining industry of Sardinia, which was at its peak in the early 1920s. An engineer, Cesare Vecelli, devised a genius plan to transport ores more efficiently from a mine in quite a difficult position on a cliff. He designed a tunnel that runs 600 meters within the cliffs. This mine is called Porto Flavio, and it is part of the mining complex of Masua in the Iglesias region. Before this time, transportation of ore was done using wicker baskets, which were loaded onto a traditional Sardinian boat and moved to a harbour 30 kilometers away. Of course, with the new technological advancement, the job was faster, less strenuous, and much cheaper. In the 1920s, mineral production stopped altogether in the area, and the mines became a ghost town. Today, Porto Flavio can be visited under supervision, with another work of nature attracting visitors even more, and that's the Sugarloaf Rock, also known as Pan di Zucchero in Italian. It is a large piece of limestone rock that looks like it's been deliberately placed in the middle of the sea. But it is actually a result of marine erosion, which separated it from the mainland. Alright, so we are in this amazing place. It's so beautiful out here. Even though it's not the sunniest of days, it's a little bit overcast, but it's still amazing. And this place is called Porto Flavio. And Porto Flavio is in the southwest of Sardinia. And it is, or it was, a harbour town which was used for mining. Back in the 1920s. So it was built in 1923, I think, between 1923 and 1924. Sardinia used to be a mining hub. So, ooh, someone's scuba diving over there. Snorkeling. So, Sardinia was mostly a place for mining. So I think minerals, I'm not sure what minerals were mined in Sardinia. So all around Sardinia you will find lots of abandoned mines now, because the mines are basically abandoned now. And Porto Flavio is one of those. So we're gonna go visit, and
Quindi ora il prossimo è alle 11.
Oh.
Quasi un'ora, cioè.
Disappointed but not defeated, and really satisfied with seeing Pan di Zucchero and the beautiful crystal blue sea, we headed back to the bike and took off for our next destination of the day. To find out where and what it is in this wild and beautiful island called Sardinia, make sure to subscribe and come back for the next episode of our Discovering Sardinia series. See you in the next video!